A plea withdrawal is basically a motion that you make before the court to withdraw the plea of guilty or no contest that you've entered with the court previously. And normally when you enter a plea with the court, your plea has to be made intelligently, voluntarily, understandingly, and knowingly. If any of those bases are missing, for instance, you didn't know what was going on, you were given bad information, or you just were confused and overwhelmed at the time you gave the plea, then those are potential bases to withdraw your plea. Plea withdrawal has to be done within 6 months of your plea of guilty or no contest. And it has to be a motion before the court. And the judge has to determine there has to be clear and convincing evidence for the judge to make a determination that your plea was not made knowingly, intelligently, voluntarily, and or of your own free will. If a plea withdrawal is granted, the case is then reopened and it starts again from the beginning with an arraignment, and if it's a felony, a preliminary hearing, plea negotiations, and potentially a trial. So it's just like your case just started without any kind of plea. Your plea is now not guilty and your case goes forward as if you were just arraigned. The process for starting a plea withdrawal is to basically file a motion with the court, and in order to do that, I would get a statement from you as to why you did not freely, of your own free will, enter into the plea agreement, whether it was you were misguided by your attorney, you didn't understand the process, or were not advised of your constitutional rights. You'll sign a declaration to that effect, and then a motion is prepared with legal arguments as to why your plea should be withdrawn. After that, we'll have a hearing before the judge with potentially live testimony being taken, and the judge will decide at that point whether clear and convincing evidence has been shown that the plea should be withdrawn and the case reopened. I've been practicing criminal law for over 13 years, ever since I graduated from UCLA Law School, and during that time I've had the opportunity to do several plea withdrawals. They are motions before the court, and oftentimes live testimony is taken. I'll review your case thoroughly and find out if you have a basis for a plea withdrawal and what the chances are that your withdrawal will be granted.